if your Roblox game is not starting, there is, I guess, two ways to try to get it to start on Windows. The first one is to uninstall and reinstall the game. You can do that by going to Control Panel. You can go to Programs and uninstall a program. And then you search for Roblox. Roblox Player for User. You want to right click, uninstall that, and then fully reinstall Roblox. Another thing that you can try to do is that your internet connection might be a problem. So you might try changing to a different Wi-Fi or a different wired connection. Or the last one could be to update your drivers. To update your drivers, you need to download NVIDIA Experience. Oh, excuse me. GeForce Experience. And on GeForce Experience, you're going to go to drivers and you're going to download the latest driver. You can see I haven't updated my drivers, so I'm going to download. And there we go. Now it's going to download the latest drivers.